platform 3D Gaia. It's a virtual platform. It started as a virtual reality, and today you're gonna see the beta version of the desktop version. So as you will see, we have the instructors. Gary is in England, Stuart is in Scotland, and Ogechi in Nigeria. So an international community here today.
Will be to introduce you to some Eocene deposits in northern Spain. So that's part of our interpretation. Now, from the point of view of an engineer looking to build a reservoir model, what will also be useful is to look at the heterogeneity. Oh, I see, right? So you can see your lines on here, and what you've picked out here. Very interesting.
Yeah. What I'd like to try and do now is to show you a cross-section which really enhances a tectonic story in a bit more detail. Thank you, Stavros, for sharing your interpretation. And what we can see here, guys, is that there are a number of channels at a number of levels through the outcrop.
This outcrop clearly shows a transgressive deposit of the Imo Formation. And this is a transgressive deposit of a shallow marine environment.
This is where, the benefit of sort of looking at outcrop like this is where it comes in, because if you think about scale and how this will come out on a typical V-shell or gamma ray law, you're not going to be able to pick this sort of level of detail.
So if you have it connected to fluvial deposits, then it is an estuary. If not, it's a tidal channel.